Aina peta na tutora ngin nesida pote ayata kit alosta konye kwape ipone diope loda etamitere anyinebe aina peta nu adingi rir nesi epedorte isemiro Lucas Senior aitolot ejo.
Now I'm happy that we are trained. You are trained, you're going to train me. Areas of specialty, concentrate, it gives you another ladder. That's why I said seek for knowledge. The knowledge is not for the school you are in only. It is vast.
Aina peta kwape natkangun nesida itolo si atukot naka UAF kwape achie koto maina peta nuda ilos kitere aitopolor adingirir ko Uganda.
I believe that the next time we are going to officiate, we are going with all confidence, and we are going to make TESO the TESO that people will love, especially as far as world athletics is concerned. We are happy that Kapchorwa is doing well, but we are going to compete with Kapchorwa, Mr. President. That is why we are happy that you chose this place. We will be happy to have more trainings.
Teso kwape region nesida raina irwanana sodit adomun aitutuoro kwape nat kana.
So let us work together and let us now commit ourselves to uplifting this sub-region, the Teso sub-region. In our sport of athletics, Eastern region certainly has excelled. But while we have excelled, we also know that the higher altitude areas have excelled more of recent. And that's the Sebe region where Kirish comes from. Now, the other time I told the people who were here, the first ever medal for Uganda in international events happened in Vancouver in 1954, and it was won by somebody from here, the late Patrick Etobi. And it was a silver medal in high jump.
Gabriel Esiku, Kanuka TV East, Koibuga Soroti.
Also, those cases at least three, the one recording.
Okay, the one who is calling.
There, the one holding a tape, and the one at the zero.